What's up, my YouTube family? Please forgive me. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video to my YouTube channel, but I'm going to get more persistent and consistent, guys. Even though I have not been uploading, guys, just want to let you know that my business opportunity still has been blessing me in the background. It still has been running, whether if I upload a YouTube video, a YouTube short, or even if I don't mail any postcard, guys, it's still blessing me in the background. But that's the opportunity I want to talk about tonight, guys, how I've been a part of it for about 2 years now, and it's still blessing me. You know how good it feels to go to your mailbox and you're able to receive checks in your mailbox that you can take to your bank and deposit it, of people that has received your postcard in the mail and have joined the business opportunity. Now, this is a simple business that anybody can do. When I mean simple, what I mean about simple is, guys, anybody can drop a postcard off in the mail on your way to work, coming from work, on your way to a basketball game, football game, vacation. These postcards are going to be your little selling agents. They're going to do all the selling and telling for you, and the owner would close the sale for you. What I mean by that, guys, he would get your new members signed up and have their kit mailed to them with all the instructions in the kit for them to get started in the opportunity. Guys, it feels good to go to the mailbox and receive checks just like this in the mailbox. Okay, as you can see, it's not open, so I just want to open it up on this video to show you that the business opportunity does work. If you go through my YouTube channel, guys, I also have other videos showing you me getting checks in the mail just by mailing postcards. It's a one way that I drive traffic to my business opportunity, and by me uploading content to my YouTube channel and doing YouTube shorts. Go through, check out my content. If you're ready to get started, guys, check out my funnel. Just click on the information below this video. It'll take you to my sales funnel. It has my phone number and my email address that you can email me and contact me on my phone number, guys. That's the plus about it. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and open up this check. So I'm going to cover up my address, but I just want to show you that it is from JD Marketing. He's the owner of the business opportunity, okay? It's from JD Marketing. If I slide it down, that's my name right there, okay? Let you know that the business is real. So I'm just going to open it up on this video to show you guys. This is what I've been receiving on a weekly basis and a monthly basis just by mailing postcards and just introducing people to the business opportunity. And believe it or not, guys, people are looking for a side hustle that doesn't take much to build. The great thing about this opportunity, guys, it only costs you a $50 fee to get started. Okay, now we do have bigger levels, level 2 that you can come in on to make bigger commissions. All right, but to get you started, guys, to get the business started, it's just a $50 fee. All right, to get you up and running. And if you want to start making bigger commissions, all right, you can upgrade to the higher levels. Okay. All right, so today, guys, you can see we're opening it up right here. All right, so as you can see, guys, open it up. All right, but I just want to cover up information to show you how much the check is, to let you know that this business is real. So I'm going to cover up the banking information. I just want you to see the amount of the check right here. As you can see, guys, it's $350. Okay. $350. There we go, guys. This is a real check. Has my name on it. It can be deposited into the bank account tomorrow, or I can cash it. Okay, if you're ready to receive a check like that, my goodness. October the 6th, guys. $350. Let's go. Let's go, guys. $350. All right, let's give a shout out. Let's see who joined. All right, Jeffrey. Jeffrey from New York. Thank you for partnering up with me, man. If you need any information, I'm willing to help you to build your business. Just reach out to me. I'm going to reach out to Jeffrey, get him rocking and rolling. Guys, it's right here. These postcards right here, they go everywhere. I show you the mailing list that I'm using. I show you, not only do I use, these are the company postcards, guys, but if you go to my YouTube channel, I have a 6x9 jumbo postcard once you partner with me, that you can get access to. All I need is just your ID number. I put it on there. I email it to you, and I'll show you exactly the company that I use to print off my 6x9 jumbo postcards. Can you imagine somebody getting that 6x9 jumbo postcard in the mailbox that does all the selling and telling for you? Now, with my 6x9 jumbo postcard, I put my own personal website on there. It takes them to my personal funnel, and my funnel do all the selling and telling for me. Okay. Now, with the business postcard, they can call the 1-800 number that's on the postcard, and they can fill out the bottom portion right here, mail this back in, and to get started. All right. So not only can you mail the postcard back in to get started, but we have a way to where you can pay online. So if you don't want to wait for JD to mail your kit, or to for this to get to him in the mail, you can always go through my funnel, and we have a way that you can pay with a credit card or a debit card to go ahead to get your kit out to you faster. Okay, that's exactly what I did 2 years ago. I didn't want to wait. I was excited. So I just went on ahead and paid online. And like 2 to 3 days later, my kit was in the mail. And guys, I was ready to rock and roll. Guys, as you can see, I just received a $350 check in the mail. Okay, there you go right there. $350 check in the mail. All right, just by mailing these postcards. Now, if you're ready to rock and roll, you're ready to get started, go ahead and follow on that information below, guys. I look forward to helping you. This is the best side hustle, guys. It's been blessing me for 2 years, okay? It's still rocking and rolling, guys. You cannot beat it, okay? We have a Facebook group that you will get access to. Not only that, guys, you have access to me. I will help you to get started, get you rocking and rolling, and then you can start receiving these checks in the mailbox. Now, the only thing I want to do, I do want to put out a disclaimer, guys, okay? You do going to have to work the business, okay? Okay, don't expect just because you join, you're going to start getting $1,000 checks in the mailbox. No, that's not what I'm saying. As long as you've been consistent and persistent with mailing your postcards, guys, and constantly keep sharing your business opportunity, eventually it's gonna be a snowball effect. That's exactly what my sponsor told me. He told me, he said, Cam, stay with it. And the more you stay with it, eventually it's gonna be a snowball effect, and checks are gonna start coming in the mail. And he was absolutely right. So guess what? My sponsor that brought me in, every time I make a sale, he gets a sale because he brought me into the business. He drops down to level 2. And then JD Marketing is on level 3. So everybody wins. It's a win-win situation. All right. So if you're tired of struggling, guys, and you want to start receiving checks in the mailbox, just by mailing postcards in the mail and uploading YouTube shorts and YouTube videos, go ahead and follow on that. Click on that link below to get more information. And I'll see you on the inside. Have a good night. Peace.